What's up, guys? We're back today with a little unboxing and tutorial. We got ourselves a nice set of the Quick Jack 7000 TL.
I'm just gonna tape these to my shoes.
Look at you. Hey, you're like
Is this what it's like?
This is what it's like. You're like an inch taller than me right now.
Nice.
That's 6 inches. Don't we all wish we could add another 6 inches?
That's what she said.
With this system though, we're gonna get up 7,000 pounds, which should do the SUV and I think my truck. We'll have to look at it. We got the 6-inch adapters for it. We also got these bad boys right there to go on the pinch welds. Oh, then I got the BMW pucks. Maybe they're in the garage. But we're gonna go ahead, unbox these, get it set up, and Chad's gonna do some work on his car. First impressions are this thing was boxed up very well. They even included like $150 worth of plywood. Pump, they even gave us more blocks. Bunch of adapters because this is a hydraulic setup.
And I have a PhD to put this together.
Really is. Chad's reading instructions. I don't know why. It's usually throw them away and crack open a beer.
I don't want to die.
Yeah.
This. You can die. That's cool.
Hey, sacrifices must be made. But yeah, we're gonna read some instructions. Oh, well, never mind. Guess we're not.
That's just the back of the list.
What's step one say? You even got that far yet?
Well, it just told me to never lower a car without the tires and never raise these to the max height without a car on it. That's all I know. But like, I just want to hook up hydraulic lines right now.
Oh yeah, let's do that. First thing you're gonna want to do, read the instructions. We got that. We found out so far you're gonna need a couple tools. Grab yourself some crescent wrenches and a 6mm hex. Really, I think that's the only tools we're gonna need. Make sure you have probably 2 quarts of hydraulic fluid or any ATF works. Luckily, I have a few quarts in the garage. We should be good there. Start off by taking off the caps for your hydraulic cylinders, then attaching the fittings, and they supplied us with some really cool red thread sealant right here, so you don't have to worry about getting any of your own. All right, once you have all your fittings with the thread sealant on, go ahead and attach them all up here. You go over to the pump, do the same thing, attach your short hoses, then you can grab your 2 long hoses and come right over there and plug them in. Next, the instructions say to inflate these small cylinder pumps up to what, 55 you said?
45, do not exceed 50.
Do not exceed 50. 40 it is. 45. And what are those, so what's the air chambers do? Did it tell you what they do?
Whatever hydraulic stuff does.
Oh, whatever the hydraulic stuff does. Alright, well, let's do that. Alright guys, next up is a bleeding procedure. After you fill it up with your ATF, go ahead and hook it all up, take them to full lock and back down, and then we bleed them. There's a little bleeder screw right there. That's going to get all the air out of the system. Really simple. It's just up and down buttons. Pretty much. It's pretty nice. I like it. We did discover that we have a slight leak, but since it's pressurized, we can't do anything with that right now, so we're just going to finish bleeding it. It's at the pump fitting, and then we will take it apart and tighten it back up. See, any more air?
Oh, it says crack them and then run it up with them open, but don't let it back down because it'll suck air in, obviously.
All right. This one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna make oil spots in the driveway. It's fine.
Yay! I love oil spots in the driveway. It's actually like my favorite thing. All right, guys, all done. Once you got it bled and there's no more bubbles in it, you're really all done. So next, you're gonna take out your BMW, drive it into your driveway or garage.
I'm gonna take out the thing that breaks all the time.
Yep, the thing that breaks all the time. That's this thing.
Whether it's a BMW or a truck or Harley.
Everything we have breaks all the time. If you're not breaking parts, you're not going fast enough.
I'm doing neither.
True. Get it positioned under there. Your jack points. We can see BMW, it's right there and right there. Try not to die, so you got them in there correctly. Both sides. Tap the up button. It specifically says do not look at your phone while you're doing it. Oh, look at that.
I literally didn't do any of the other safety checks. So.
You didn't do any safety checks?
No.
Oh. Okay.
That's the first lock position on this side. Did it go over on that side? No.
It looks like it's just starting.
No, it's over. So that's locked.
Oh, nice. Wow.
See how high it goes?
It goes a lot higher. Second.
No, there's only 2 lock positions.
Oh.
So that's the first. That was the lock thing going over the back side of it.
Gotcha. Wow. This goes high, and we don't even have adapters on it. Almost. Nope, this side wasn't.
No, that's how it locks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so the follower doesn't lock. There's a little U-shaped thing
Okay.
on that black part. See it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, got it. That's how it works, guys. And now you put it down onto the lock, and you're good. That is so high off the ground. You could basically walk under it, dude.
You can pull transmission with this.
Exactly.
I guess we'll just leave these on the inside of the tires for the time being.
Yeah.
I think you can disconnect it once it's locked.
I'd say just leave it.
I mean, that'll leave it.
Yeah.
Probably don't even want it that high for the damage.
Gosh, I know, it's so high. Well, that's our unboxing, our setup, and our use of quick jacks.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Actually, I think this is going to help a lot. You know, just water pouring from your hood.
I forgot that it rained last night.
But that's pretty tall, so it's supposed to be 24 inches like this, and then we have those adapters to take up to 30 inches. Yeah, you could pull a transmission, an engine, everything. It's pretty awesome. All right, guys, we're gonna end it off there. We will see you on the next one.